Ensure the cavity dimensions are correct as shown. Dimensions may vary depending on the model. Always refer to the installation instructions supplied with your dish drawer for correct dimensions. Carefully unpack the dish drawer from the packaging. Remember to dispose of packaging responsibly. Refer to the installation manual, which is secured on the side of the dish drawer. Apply the supplied moisture protection tape underneath the bench top. The power outlet must be located in a cabinet adjacent to the dishwasher cavity. Connect to a cold water connection only, with the hose tap connection higher than 200 mm from the floor. The drain connection waste tee must be higher than 500 mm from the floor. Using a hole saw, cut a 60 mm diameter hole in the cabinetry for routing the hoses and power cord. Adjust the dishwasher to the required height and ensure it's level. Place a spirit level on the top of the dish drawer and twist the bottom feet at either corner until the dish drawer is level. There are two methods of installing the dish drawer into the cavity. The recommended option allows the dish drawer to be secured without removing the drawers. Clip all 4 side mounting brackets into their slots. Ensure they're securely fitted before sliding the dish drawer into the cavity. The mounting slots are in pairs, one on each side diagonally across the product. Ensure you use the correct bracket for each slot. If you also want to secure the dish drawer to the underside of the bench top, attach the 2 top mounting brackets. Move the dish drawer into the cavity. Take care when pushing the dish drawer that you do not bend the feet. At the same time, pull the hoses and power lead completely through the services hole. Ensure you do not twist or kink the hoses as you are pushing in the dish drawer. Now that the dish drawer is in place, open each drawer halfway. Remove the grey rubber plug out of the trim moulding. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, screw through the trim moulding, securing the side mounting brackets to the cabinetry. Do not damage the rubber trim seal. Replace the grey rubber plug back into the trim moulding and ensure the trim seal is facing forward. Repeat for all 4 brackets. Adjust the dishwasher to the required height and ensure it's level. Place a spirit level on the top of the dish drawer and twist the bottom feet at either corner until the dish drawer is level. If you also want to secure the dish drawer to the underside of the bench top, attach the 2 top mounting brackets. Move the dish drawer into the cavity. Take care when pushing the dish drawer that you do not bend the feet. At the same time, pull the hoses and power lead completely through the services hole. Ensure you do not twist or kink the hoses as you are pushing in the dish drawer. The lower drawer needs to be removed. Pull the drawer out. At the front bottom of each corner of the drawer you will find a release tab. Press the release tabs in on either side and push back to release the drawer from the runners. After removal, either carefully rotate or sit the drawer off to the side. For further adjustment, using the most appropriate length hexagonal socket supplied, fully extend the levelling feet up to the required distance by hand. Secure to the cabinetry using 2 pairs of formed brackets on either side of the chassis. To access the side brackets, you might have to push aside the insulation. After securing, ensure the sound insulation is repositioned correctly. Before refitting the drawer, ensure the hoses are not twisted and the latches at the rear of each drawer runner are facing forward. Refit the lower drawer back on the drawer runners. Pull the runners forward until the release tabs on both sides reset. Pull out the bottom dish drawer. Turn the toe kick strip upside down and measure the correct height for the toe kick strip. Cut the toe kick strip to the required height, break off the end tabs and file smooth, and then secure on both sides of the bottom of the dish drawer. For the DD60DA dish drawer models, pull out the bottom dish drawer and measure the correct height for the toe kick strip. Cut the toe kick strip to the required height and then, using a screwdriver, pop out the required holes. Secure on both sides of the bottom of the dish drawer. Secure the drain hose support between 750 and 882.5 mm measured from the floor. Push the drain hose through the drain hose support and through to the waste tee connection. Ensure the drain pipe runs directly to the waste tee and remove excess drain hose. Connect the 19 mm drain hose joiner to the end of both drain hoses and then connect it to the waste tee. Push the drain hose through the drain hose support and into the standpipe. Ensure the ends of the drain hoses are more than 500 mm from the floor. Connect the water inlet hose to cold water. Remember to use the rubber washer. Turn on once the connection has been secured tightly using a spanner. Connect the power lead to the power point and switch on. Once the power and water has been turned on, open the dish drawers. You should hear a beep and see a program indicator light up on the internal control panel. Check the spray arm is in place and that it rotates freely. Add 3 cups of water, then select the rinse option by pressing the indicator until the rinse program light lights up. Close the drawer and press start.